Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing an Amazon Basics oscillating ceramic heater with adjustable thermostat in the color black. 1500 watts, so you know it's getting cold. It's a winter season, so gotta get the space heaters. Alright, so I've had a trusty Amazon Basics one before. This is a new model, so let's show you all how this bad boy looks. Alright, so no frills, just a usual user manual. You guys know how to use this guy. Here we go. Moment you've been waiting for. Boom. Alright. Let's take this out, show you all how it looks. Okay. Here we go. Let's go. Alright, so safety, make sure it's on the floor. Wow. This is fresh looking. Amazon Basics oscillating space heater. Keep you warm. Hope you're all staying warm out there, and sorry about that. My bad. A little tipsy from the Truly vodka that I unboxed the other day. Enjoying one right now. And that's it. No frills, but yeah, hope you're all staying safe and warm. I know a lot of the country is super cold and snowed in right now, so stay safe out there. Till next time, see you all next time. Later.